There goes your eyeballs. What your eyeballs were.
Chocolate.
I think that's what they were, like dots of chocolate.
Yeah.
Somebody just uploaded this thing on Facebook, and it's like, even though sometimes I try to control myself in a classroom when you're not supposed to laugh, it's just funnier when you're in a classroom.
Put her to bed.
Good fun.
No.
Bottoms up.
Oh jeez.
I know, buddy.
She's on